Want a cleaner Brave toolbar without extra buttons getting in the way? In this quick walkthrough, I'll show you how to hide the Brave News button and how to bring it back anytime you want. First, open the Brave browser on your computer. Once it loads, move your mouse to the top right corner and click the three-line menu to open the main options. When the menu appears, scroll down just a bit and tap on Settings. A new tab will open with all of Brave's customization options. Now, look over to the left-hand side and select Appearance. This is where Brave lets you control how the toolbar and interface look. On the right side of the screen, scroll down slowly until you reach the toolbar section. Here you'll see a toggle labeled Show Brave News button. To remove it, just switch the toggle off. It'll turn gray, and the Brave News button disappears from your toolbar instantly. If you ever decide you want it back, come right back to the same page. Flip the toggle on, wait for it to turn blue, and the button will reappear right away. And that's it. No restarts, no extra steps. Just a quick setting you can change whenever you like. If this guide helped you clean up your browser, give the video a like and subscribe for more simple, easy-to-follow tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.